Today, we're checking in on Billy Beane, the Moneyball legend, longtime A's executive, and pioneer of sabermetrics in baseball. After decades of shaping the Oakland A's, many wonder, what is Billy Beane doing now? Let's find out. Billy Beane is best known for revolutionizing baseball with his Moneyball approach, using data and analytics to build competitive teams with limited budgets. He served as general manager of the Oakland A's for many years, and later became their executive vice president of baseball operations. His story has been immortalized in a best-selling book and a major Hollywood movie. Where is he now? As of 2025, Beane has transitioned from day-to-day operations and taken on a new role as senior advisor to the A's managing partner. In this capacity, he works closely with the team owner on strategic decisions, while the A's baseball operations are now led by GM David Forst. His advisory role also gives him the freedom to explore interests beyond baseball. He's involved in soccer, holding minority stakes in AZ, Alkmaar, Netherlands, and Barnsley, England. Beane remains deeply connected to the A's, but he's also balancing his time between business ventures and sports outside MLB. He's expressed a growing passion for soccer and continues to apply his analytical mindset to other areas. At the same time, he's staying involved in discussions around the A's future, particularly given the team's ongoing relocation issues. Billy Beane may no longer be running daily baseball operations, but his influence is far from gone. In a role that blends strategy, legacy, and innovation, he's shaping not just the future of the A's, but also the broader world of sports. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you found this update interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.